Hello and welcome to my channel, Hugh Money Method. I am Hugh Lee. Today I will show you how to add colors going from plain like this to this using the mask technique on your phone mobile. Let's get started. First, go to your CapCut app, click on a new project, choose the video or pictures that you want to work with, and click Add at the bottom. I am going to use this video. Next, click Overlay. Click Add Overlay. And choose the color that you want to work with. And click Add. Now you have this color as an overlay, and what you want to do is to move the overlay color about half of the background videos, and you want to use your two fingers to zoom out to cover the whole video, just like that. With the overlay picture or video, we are going to use the mask technique. So scroll all the way to the right and look for mask. It's right here. Click on it. Click on horizontal. There's a yellow line with a circle in the middle. Drag it up, just like that. And this is the important step right here. Click on invert right here on the bottom left corner. And then you want to click on the feather symbol, which is right here. You want to move the yellow line to the position that you like, and then click on the feather symbol. Click on it and drag to the desired look, and play around to see what you like best. This looks really nice right here. Let's move the overlay all the way to the front of the video, and then drag it all the way to the full video, just like that. And this looks really nice. Let's press play. And that's it for this overlay. To save, click on export. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials, because this channel is created for you, and I will see you on my next video.